Hello my friend, Uma Bhatt here, creator and founder of LeadService.com, where we help new and experienced marketers from all over the world to succeed online. I'm encouraging you today as your home business friend. I'm so glad that video found you because if you're thinking about joining a network marketing business or struggling to find an effective way to build your network marketing business, there are some very important things you should know first. If you want to be successful in network marketing, you'll have to understand a number of things. Network marketing is your business and it's your job. It's not something you do when you feel like it. You set your goals and you work toward those goals. But do you even understand what your goals are? The great majority of people go day to day never understanding what their ultimate goal is. Recently they had done a survey among students. They were asked to jot down their goals in life. Some students had absolutely no clue. Some were vague, and only tiny 3% of them had any idea what they were working at. 10 years on, the same students were interviewed. You may not be surprised to learn that those 3% were 10 times wealthier than the others who had no idea where they were going in life. They were well on their way to achieving their final goals. The steps to online marketing success. You must follow certain steps when you start your network marketing business, and those steps are part of a system. Following a system is extremely important, and finding the right system that works for you is critical. Do not get tempted to purchase any of the supposed guru courses that you could find. These folks are full of theory, but haven't done network marketing in practice. The base of network marketing is to appreciate and practice massive direct response marketing, which generates leads. This is attraction marketing in action. Think about leads, think about branding, and focus on building your business, not just the downline. If you follow the right system, you'll create as many leads as you want, and 1,000 greenbacks in the act, and sign up people day in and day out. This may be done by promoting only one massive attraction marketing funnel. Click the link below to get access to your free presentation. It won't cost anything. Take action today and start creating the life you desire. Do it for yourself. Do it for your family. Thanks for watching me. Have a great day. Bye for now.